The basis of money is trust. Money is inherently a promise, and that promise can be broken by bad actors. FTX is a prime example of the importance of trust and how quickly it can collapse. SBF was the industry. He met with Tom Brady. He met with politicians. He was leading regulation. He was that guy, but now he's that guy in the worst way possible. He tangled it up in a sorry but anyway way that risked $16 billion of customer deposits. Trust exists on a fault line, similar to how earthquakes work. If there is enough breakage, enough buildup along the fault line, trust can fracture, and it all can come crumbling down. The reason that institutions like BlackRock, JP Morgan, etc. all have a lot of money is because they have a lot of trust, for better or for worse. They have built up their fault lines with money, time, and government regulation. But crypto has danced among this fault line many times. Luna, Three Arrows Capital, Celsius, Voyager, all of these are just another pressure point. And soon there will be an earthquake, a shattering of belief if this fault line does not get protected. FTX was like the biggest, tallest glass building along this fault line. The debris it could create in its collapse could cloud the air for months, if not years. Trust has to be built. It cannot be built up by VC firms FOMOing in to get rich quick. It cannot be described as a Ponzi or have Ponzi vibes. It cannot be that the systemic risk is so pervasive that the risk is the actual system itself. There are solutions to how crypto can build trust, returning to its roots. Decentralization being the focus, radical transparency, and self-custodying assets. The industry needs regulation, and the SEC cannot keep on suing companies to get answers. Gary Gensler needs to speed it up. It's become clear that there needs to be guardrails for centralized crypto companies, safeguarding retail dollars, proof of reserves, rules on interconnectivity between exchanges and funds, and insurance, so retail doesn't always end up holding the bag. Crypto needs to return to the vision of what it was always meant to be, or else bad actors will continue to collapse on the trust fault line and the entire thing could come crumbling down.